Hey everyone! So here I have been capturing some of the memories from last trip, which was to Uttarakhand, and I have spotted this beautiful view in Rishikesh, Dhanaulti while moving towards Sarkunda Mata, which is one of the Shakti Peeths situated in Dhanaulti while moving towards the destination. We have spotted this beautiful Himalaya view and I just wanted to capture this memory. It was totally insane. I just can't describe in words. I don't know why pictures and DSLR camera never capture the views and the beauty of the nature, but my eye is doing right now. But hope you enjoy this video.